Good morning, good morning. So here is my breakfast. It's already 9:30, so I'm not gonna bother making a big old wazoo breakfast. So have a peanut butter jelly sandwich. That's the go-to jelly. That's the go-to peanut butter. So there you go. Super simple, yummy. Oh, and the bread that we like to use, hang on. And this is our go-to bread. It's the Oro wheat oat nut. That's our favorite. There you go. And of course, I already made my coffee early this morning. I don't know where I have this energy from today because I was up late working on packages and I got one more I gotta finish and then a little bit of work to do, but I don't know. I'm feeling good. So I gotta go to the post office. I gotta run some errands. I gotta go to the grocery store. So those are my to-dos. So this is treating me good today. All right, so here's my lunch. I'm having some leftover ginger chicken. We love ginger chicken in this house. I make it at least twice a month. It's so good. I have a recipe on this. If you've been with me a while, you know. I will link it down below, but it's chicken thighs with chopped up ginger and onion and some oyster sauce over broccoli and rice. Oh, it's so yummy, you guys. And I'm just having it with some water. And then I just gotta finish up a couple things, and then I got to go run those errands that I wanted to run like an hour ago. So I'm a little bit behind, but I'm gonna enjoy my lunch and I'll see you guys back soon. Okay guys, finally I'm just now making it to the post office. It's almost 3:30. Oh my gosh. But I did pick up a McDonald's coffee. Thanks to Katie Roach, she got me hooked on this, but it's $1.08 and it's just a large coffee with 2 cream, 2 sugar. So good, so good. And I mean, for $1, come on. So it's awesome. Then for my snack, I'm having a 1 bar. It's the birthday cake one. So that's what gosh, this lighting is horrible. That's what I'm having really quick before I run in. Yeah. So for dinner, I decided that I'm making Jessie Jane Stecker's Cajun shrimp pasta. I make it all the time. We love it. It's just onions, asparagus, mushroom, can of rotel, shrimp, lots of butter. And her recipe calls for half and half, but I use heavy whipping cream, so you'll see. And then today we're just gonna have it with some rotini pasta. You could mix and match your pasta, it doesn't really matter. We don't like to have to wind it up on your fork, so we always do something like that. So this is what it looks like before you dump the pasta in it. It still needs a minute or two, so I'm gonna go and make magic bread. So let me show you how I do that. Okay, so for magic bread, I actually got this recipe from Melissa Schleicher's husband, Donnie Wayne. He shared his secret recipe once, and I've been making it ever since. You want to put your oven on high broil. You're going to take a half loaf of French bread, and you're going to put a 1/4 stick of softened butter and sprinkle it with garlic salt. Put it in the oven for about 2 minutes, seriously, till the edges get crispy, and it's done. It's amazing. Literally 2 minutes. And there's the pasta. So there's dinner. I hope you guys give it a try, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.